gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
On this International Women's Day, I want to celebrate the strength and resilience and achievements of women across Jamaica.
Women are the nation builders of this country.
We are the backbone of Jamaica, and we are the backbone wherever in the world we are. We're the leaders, the movers, the ceiling breakers, and the table shapers.
You are the heartbeat of our progress.
Without your tireless work, whether it is in the markets, whether it is in the classroom, in the hospitals, all across, and yes, even in politics.
And I, as a female candidate, will be proud to be one of the future representing this country. We want to say thank you for embodying us, the younger ones, to be the very best versions of ourselves. I want us to celebrate all the strong, resilient women across Jamaica for all their achievements and the hard work that they put into developing the country and their communities.
I want to implore us to continue to be strong, continue to be the backbone of this our Jamaican society. As the women's movement, we will continue to work with our women. As men, as we eliminate domestic violence in Jamaica.
Let's go for parity. Break down barriers and ensure that our women are able to fulfill their full potential.
Let us continue to uplift, inspire,
And empower each other as we build a future
where everyone can thrive.
Who around the world?
girls. Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day. Heart of love.
Thank you for each and every one of your support. But to the people of Paul Island and Fullerstein, we will never neglect you. I am the leader of this team. So when I speak for the team. I can honestly say to you that I'm going to roll up my sleeve and I'm going to do the work on behalf of the People's National Party. I don't want you to follow me just to drive around and have a good time. You must know what my plans are. So if it is education, it is scholarship. If you're picnic, bright and you can't find the money to send them to school, I'm going to have to find it under the Constituency Development Fund. If it is that you work at the hotel, and let me talk to our hotel workers. You see this contract thing we are going on the grill? Where every 3 months you have to go home, go sit down for 2 weeks. Those days must come to an end under the next People's National Party government. And let me say this to you. Savlaman Hospital, if you go down there now, your chance of getting a bed, 0 to none. You have to down there and sit down on a chair or lay down on a chair under the next People's National Party government. We're going to have to build a new wing for Savlamar Hospital so that when you go there you can get a bed. That's what it means to be a member of this party. When it comes to looking out for the people of this country, there is no other party than the People's National Party. I want to say to you, look, the government will come with all of the goodies because they are the government. But ask yourself the question, for every road that we drive on, and you see them start cut out some of the road, right? And no asphalt can go in it, you know. Cut out that one. It's pure cutting out going. But I want to ask you, I want to ask each and every one of you, and I hear Councillor Polly said it. If each of you bring out 3 PNP on election day, by 12 o'clock, we can declare that Western Westmoreland is in the column of the People's National Party.
Make the trumpets play.
Big up on yourself, all revolutionists, all freedom fighters, all human rights defenders of the poor people, struggling class of people and the needy class of people and the hard-working, decent citizen in a Jamaica. Yeah, man. Me nah big up no farmer oppressing, neither from the high upper top, nor down below. No farmer oppressing we nah big up. Lightning and thunder, earthquake and fire for all of una. All of una dancing at the ghetto, lightning and thunder, earthquake and fire. Yeah, man. All bad-minded people, man. Judgment upon you, man. Death to every pale face, man. You see me? All wicked people, you know, are pale face. You see me? Yeah, man. All wicked and evilous people. Big up yourself, talk your mind. At half of the press. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Lightning and thunder, earthquake and fire up on the Jamaica Labour Party, man. And all I minister, man. You hear me say? Lightning and thunder, earthquake and fire, judgment, man, lava, man, rather fire, man, soda fire, man. Yeah, man, cut down on Jonas, man, and drop him low. You see me? Yeah, ASHA11 they tell him, you know, say the ancestor then said them brought him down to nothing, you know. And them will make him come to shame and disgrace. You see me? Yeah, because he's just a fucking madman. Yeah, man. Andrew crazy. Crazy, man. I want to know how the Jamaica Labour Party supporter here, them worse than Andrew. You know, me I wonder, you know. Yeah. Warm to them. So I know, and I man just I realize now, say, them is crazy. You see me? Because Andrew let off a fumes upon them, you know. Yeah. All time big nose, you know. You see me? Get the whole of them crazy, all of them nearly up in them heavens. And them get crazy. Because I want to know, if Jamaica people no member, when you no member, when you no get locked down on the yard, when you can't go up on the street, how much of uno undecided voter and labor right that get beaten from the security force, brutal angling, because they catch you know, out on the street. You remember when the whole of Jamaica night come, have you hide? You can't go nowhere. You remember how long the party's fans couldn't keep no farmer party while the elite and for them friend have them big house party and then hotel party. You don't remember that poor people who are run back on Jonas now? You don't remember all the churches, church people who no for uno me a man a come say Andrew Jonas have in 100 bank account. You don't remember say pastor get locked up, church get locked down, police abuse. Remember, you know, down to the people who must serve God, you know. The people who supposed to save Jamaica from destruction was locked up and abused. So where that we show you that the Jamaica Labour Party leader is a servant of Satan, of Lucifer, of the jinn, of the devil. That will be looked at. Want to remember in a corona what this man have brought up on us and Jonas. Restriction. Eh? Want to remember? I want to see him one now. I talk about third term. You coming like terrorist, man. No, man. Jamaican people, mind confused. Yeah, man. We have epilepsy, man. Yeah. That's all we have. We not tremble so much. That's all on the mind a shake too. What we braveness there? Eh? Where are our braveness? Where are our warrior spirit? Only few of us right now in a Jamaica, we have that warrior spirit in them. Yeah. Because I can't believe, say, people still are running and say, Andrew are the best prime minister. Andrew no won none away, you know. He might run a corporation, and if people that abuse the corporation and them do anything to them, well, it is up to them and the people. But the hard-working, decent citizen, when I do nothing, supposed to have freedom of speech and freedom of movement and freedom of action in a Jamaica once we're not committing any crime. All of the farmers throughout Jamaica, I want to show me what Andrew Jones have done to farming after Corona. And show me what the 18 year of PMP what they do to farming. I hear some little big mouth stinking, sour, pit toilet mouth come and talking that how PG and the People's National Party in the 90s mashed down agriculture, school, hospital. I wonder where they get them from. Where they get that from. Eh? They on social media and mislead them oneself because them not mislead the Jamaican people, you know, because the Jamaican people is here. The Jamaican people is here to know that you could go to the pharmacy in the 90s and get medication. You didn't have to go to pharmacy out the road, go spend how much in hundreds, thousands of dollars. You see me? Allegedly that the minister them have them pharmacists and the minister have allegedly have held of them pharmacy all over Jamaica. And when you have to go there go buy medication, you could get some in the pharmacy free in the hospital. Bed, everything there. Nobody never have to sleep on floor or on bench. And I hear them come and spread rumor. But remember, you know, the Jamaica people is here and them a feel the pinch. So all who go out and a chat them foolishness, the day of election, the truth will be there. Who are going to shit up themselves. Because I don't think the people them I can tell you know, Say they not vote for and showing up too much. And they know the iron hand. They know the gangster business. They know the badness business. We are going in the Jamaica Labour Party. They know the damn them in the garrison when they're there. Them live with them and know who them are and what they can do to them, and no politician take up with them. You think them out tell you no? Them out show no man in the ballot box. So ASHA11 now come tell us a PMP perfect. But they will look after the welfare of the poorer class of people more better. And that's all we want. We don't want an equal share, you know. We just want a little piece of the pie. We don't want equal share of the pie when we should get 3/4 and the politician then get 1/4. But if they did that give we 1/4 and take 3/4, will I still satisfy? Because we could have raised, we pick the good, so they're not on criminal. And we would need no garrison gang. If them did that do their work, they would have campaign.
Time coming up. Time come. The date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golden. Because for your fist.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
In solidarity with your leader, Comrade Mark, time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them to one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there, so because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see that ex, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves, and I can get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you work long hours and can't get no pay, if you go a foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.